Okay, here's a quick recap on part 7 of the 65 Mustang Fastback restoration. Finally to the point where we're going to try to start it for the first time. Bought this car back in 2008. Been a long time coming. The LED lights came on for the first time today. Those are the brake lights, which are rather bright. It's definitely brighter, but it's pretty cool. Got an LED system that goes with the music. A little dark right now. I'm going to open up the doors in preparation to start it. We'll get some more lighting here. We'll take another shot, see if the video comes out even better. So we're almost ready to start it. I even painted it here in the garage, as you see. And Frankenstein is the name, and it suits it well. This thing's a monster. It's got all kinds of pieces from all kinds of different vehicles. This car's been a challenge, but hopefully it'll pay off someday. So we got the timing light, and this is the ECU computer controller. I have a Holly Sniper EFI system on this. It's already pre-programmed. Hopefully it'll just self-teach it for me. Once it gets to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, I'll start self-teaching. Got the idle set at 750. Hopefully got the timing ignition distributor stabbed right. And I've got it kind of pre-timed to at least 15 degrees or more before top dead center. I've got an external, I've got another oil pressure gauge here. Fuel pump pumps around 55 to 60 psi. Have an electric fan. Have that set. Come on, I think I want 175 and turn off at 185, I think, something like that. Six-point roll cage. Speakers in the back. Yeah, I'll get some more shots with some better lighting. So I removed the dash pad and went with the original steel dash that was hiding underneath, which just looks cleaner to me. It gives you more room. Less safe though. It's a 5-speed Tremec T5 transmission, and got a Pioneer Blu-ray DVD movie player, touchscreen as well. And I've got these custom LED lights. I'll go ahead and turn them on. So there's the custom LED light system. That's the brake light, so it's at its brightest right now. It'd be a little bit more tame with just the running lights. That's the brake lights. And they're also sequential on the turn signals. Okay, so let's get this set up for a first start. Wish us luck. Okay, Super Cooper here we go. First time we're going to start this up. Wish me luck.